Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo and if you're new here, welcome. On today's video, we're gonna be making a very scrumptious, delicious, easy to make banana bread. So it only needs a few ingredients and it tastes spectacular. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it. So starting off, I'm just showing you the bananas. So these are about like medium to large size bananas that are overripe. So they're basically like to the point where they almost look like they're about to go bad, but they're not there yet. Don't use ones with maggots, please. Also, before starting, please preheat your oven to about 170. If it has like the little digits in between, like two, or you can stay at like 175, then put it at 175. And then right here, I just mashed the overripe bananas. They're easier to mash, like even with like your fork, they're very easy to mash ne? And then right here I am using in a new bowl ne? I'm putting in yogurt. That's double plain yogurt. If you have Greek yogurt, use Greek yogurt. If you do not have this, you can use buttermilk. And then I'm just mixing everything with some margarine. So I use margarine, but you could use melted butter or you can use vegetable oil or whatever oil that you like. And then I'm putting in vanilla essence. You can use, of course, vanilla extract. That'll work just as well. And these are some large eggs. And then I'm just beating the large eggs. Make sure that there is no eggshells. If you're afraid that there are, use a strainer at this point, just so that you do not get any eggshells in there. And then we're taking the overripe bananas and we're just mixing it into everything that into the wet ingredients basically. And then we're just mixing everything completely, making sure that everything is thoroughly mixed. So we're gonna make sure that we're mixing everything here, because once we put in the flour, you do not want to over mix the flour. So you do not want to overwork it, because it will become dense. It will become like, once you cook it, you have seen like if you overbeat like your for your cakes, it becomes dense. So it's the same thing applies here. And by the way, these are our dry ingredients, which is just flour and sugar. So this is self-raising flour, that's why I didn't need to add anything. But you can also use cake flour, where you just need to add baking powder and some salt. And then right here I'm just mixing everything. So I'm mixing just until you no longer see the white, or like the flour on the sides. So I'm just making sure that everything is mixed thoroughly, but not too much. And then right here I'm just greasing my pan. Then after, I'm just transferring the mixture into my pan, and then just making it on the table just so that it's evenly spread out. So then after this, we put it into the oven. We're gonna put it in there for about 60 to 50 to 60 minutes, I'm sorry. And checking, like at like the 45 minutes mark, just use a knife to make sure that it is fully cooked on the inside. And if not, leave it again for another 10 minutes or so. And then that's it, guys. That is the recipe. It's easy, it's simple ingredients. I do hope you guys are gonna try it out, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.